Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add contacts onto your account on the 1inch DeFi crypto wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 1inch wallet application on your device, and after you log in using your PIN code, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, in order to add your contacts, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will take you into the settings page where you can find the address book. Go ahead and tap on it, and now if you have any contacts, it will be displayed here. If you don't have any yet, you can tap on create contacts or the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you can just enter your contact name and add their wallet address. You also have the option to add an avatar, and once you add all of the contact information, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and this will add your contact right away. You can add as many contacts as you wish and add their wallet address along with it to be able to send and receive crypto much easier. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add contacts within your account on the 1inch DeFi crypto wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.